everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Plug, and in this video we'll be chatting about various lending options for micro, small to medium-sized entities with particular focus on the downfall of traditional financing as well as the rise of fintech startups in South Africa. Please note that any company or service provider that I mention in this video I do not endorse, but use as an example to provide further clarity on the topic. Most business owners get their funding from family and friend loans or stokvels, which is usually a savings and investment vehicle. However, most beneficiaries use the lump sum that they receive as capital for their own businesses. Crowdfunding is the practice of raising funds for a project or a venture from a large number of people who can typically contribute a small amount over the internet. This is what we'll be particularly focusing on in this video. With peer-to-peer lending, you simply borrow from a stranger. An online platform matches you with people that are willing to lend. This is also called debt crowdfunding, crowd lending, as well as marketplace lending. The issue with traditional financing is that the process could be quite onerous, from the requirement of statutory paperwork to the concern that there may be higher interest rates charged. Peer-to-peer lending is feasible for small businesses because it is offered online, and these lending platforms operate more cheaply than traditional banks, which allows them to offer a more competitive interest rate. Lenders are attracted by their ability to earn higher returns relative to their bank savings or term deposit accounts. They protect themselves by spreading their lending across multiple borrowers. Borrowers, on the other hand, are attracted by greater accessibility, faster application processes, as well as competitive interest rates. Peer-to-peer lending platforms are the best bet for newer businesses that do not have a credit or cash flow history, that have low credit ratings, as well as innovative loan requests. The downfalls include the loan that you receive may be smaller than banks, and if it's not 100% funded, then you won't get the money. And missing repayments may result in hurting your credit rating, which may also lead to large penalty fees. South Africa has developed a great fintech lending ecosystem that is specifically targeted at small to medium-sized entities. Peer-to-peer platforms such as Thunder Fund, the People's Fund, as well as Uprise Africa. There are other lending startups which serve as alternatives to traditional banking, such as Spoon Money and Merchant Capital. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.